Hello and welcome to the world of technology with Yamaha. This video demonstrates how to install, connect and use our new Bluetooth mobile application, the Yamaha Motorcycle Connect X. To begin, simply download and install Yamaha Motorcycle Connect X application from the Google Play Store or Apple iOS Store. Once installed, open the application and click on Let's Start. Sign up by entering your name, email ID, password and mobile number. After this is done, you will receive an email with a link for verification. Open the email and click on the verification link. Once finished, you can proceed to the login screen. Enter the correct email ID and password to login. In case an incorrect password is entered or email is not verified, the following screens appear. Click on Forgot Password to recover your account. Enter your registered email ID and click on the email to reset your password. After a successful login, the app will synchronize to give you a unique experience. Let's get started by adding your vehicle. Click on Add Bike and link the app to your vehicle by entering the chassis number and press Next. Once entered, proceed to scan the QR code of the Bluetooth device and press Confirm. Read the Terms and Conditions page and press Accept if you agree. Enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number and press Verify. Your vehicle is now connected. Now you can use the many features available on the application. Congratulations! Now that you are connected, let's get started. For starters, you can make your bike stand out by clicking on Answer Back. This feature will activate the indicators and horn of your bike twice. To find out information about all your previous rides, click on Riding History. You can also view individual trip details of every ride by clicking on it. Under each trip detail, you can find out the distance covered, average speed, brake counts and battery voltage details related to the specific trip. We also have a filters option which allows you to check specific details of all rides you've covered even if you have multiple bikes connected. You can also locate your bike by pressing Locate My Bike. When this is done, all 4 indicators will illuminate for 10 seconds. You can also electronically lock your bike and prevent theft by using the e-lock feature. Click on Enable e-lock to set lock pattern. Enter your 4-sequence lock pattern with any indicator combination and click on Save to save the e-lock pattern. In the absence of your phone, you can manually unlock your vehicle by turning the indicator switch as per the e-lock pattern saved. Another useful feature is the hazard option. Upon clicking on the button, all the indicators start blinking continuously to notify fellow riders on the road to be cautious. That's not all. You can click on Parking Record to view your last parked location. Apart from this, there are 5 other features that you can access from the side menu bar in the Yamaha Motorcycle Connect X app. Just press the menu icon on the left side of the screen to view your profile, your vehicles, About Us, Privacy Policy, Change Password, and Log Out. Now you can go ahead, download the app and enjoy your ride into the world of Yamaha.